Activate what?
That where you it's a gearbox. All gearboxes got to be vented. If they ain't vented, you blow all the damn oil out the seals. That's their big deal. Oh, we use a certain size oil. We do this, we do that, and you don't touch it. Well, they have a tendency. The harder you work them, by God, the more pressure they build. And we just don't. I put that on there. I can't take a chance on not having it on. That thing's full as hell right now.
What is this?
Hmm?
What is this thing?
What's this thing? It's a coon hay mower.
It's a what?
It's a coon.
What year?
K-U-H-E. 2000 and Dad died in 2008. I think we bought it in 2010. Me and Rick and Mom.